In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pedro Pascal dancing video meme on TikTok. So first thing that you have to do is to download any editor that you find comfortable to use. So here I'm using Capcut, which is easier to use for TikTok. So make sure that it's downloaded and updated to your phone. Now let's exit that and go to our TikTok account. Now all you have to do is just to go to your search bar, tap on the upper right, and or type on the search bar for John Cena dancing. Now tap on that second option there. Now you'll be able to see this lots of videos of him from different people who used him as content on their videos. So let's choose one here and then click on that CapCut. Try this template since this is uploaded already or downloaded already on our phone. Then tap on that, then use template in CapCut. Now all you have to do is allow paste and then use template. Now this time you can choose any videos or pictures that you have on your phone for that specific video, and then tap preview so that you can see how it looks like and wait for it to load. And then there you go. You can also adjust how big or how small John Cena on your video or anywhere you want to place him. And then once you're done adjusting the size and the position, you can just click on the export on the upper right. And then you can click save and share it to TikTok. Now all you have to do is wait for it to successfully export, and then you can now go ahead on your TikTok. You can click next, and then you can click now post if you're done. So basically that's the process on how to use John Cena dancing filter on TikTok. Now if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.